Once upon a time there was a group of four friends called Richard, Uriel, Vanessa, and Omar. They were great friends from high school. One day Ricardo decided to meet again since they had seen each other for a long time. Ricardo sent an invitation to his friends for a field day. The day they had to see each other arrived and they had greeted each other.
Hi guys, how have you been?
Hi, very well, thank you.
Hello, how are you?
Hi boy, I have missed you guys so much. I still remember all the pranks we used to do in high school. Do you guys remember?
The guard and one go there in remember everything. Some for 10 teacher even 10 parties with us to go on the west.
What nice memories. I remember every joke we used to tell.
We were so close. I really miss those moments we used to share.
The four best friends spent the whole afternoon talking about memories of the past. They had some drinks and they had the great idea to go their old school.
I know. Let's go to our old school.
What a fantastic idea!
Yes, let's go.
Let's go!
They arrived at their school and walked over at the place where they used to go.
Look how cool that mural is. I like it a lot.
How the cafeteria has improved.
What beautiful cafeteria.
Everything is so much better. I do like to go back in time and be and see school again.
It was great to see you guys. I hope to see you soon. I love you guys. Take care.
Bye guys.
See you.
They all hugged each other and said goodbye to go home.